Hi everybody, this is Milene. Now it's my 16th day after the operation, after the facial operation. You can see it a little bit swollen down in the down part, but still you can see the results. I had 10 procedures and you can see it's changed a lot. And I need to wait like a month for to see more final results. I'm very satisfied with the result. The doctor did a very good job. Also, the nurses team, I had a very intense post-operative care every day, and they took care of me and really with professionalism and everything. Also, the facility is very good. I had everything I was needed, from the hospitalization to the hotel rooms and everything. Really, I came here alone and I felt like I had all the support I need and everything. So I really recommend, if you want to do an FFA surgery, so come to Kamal Hospital. I'm very happy and I hope you also like my change. And see you next time. Bye bye.